Hi friends, we are at Mississauga Drive Test Center and we will go for Mississauga's G test route today. Let's go to Mississauga G test route today, and your car parked in the parking lot here. We will go out from this side and make sure keep your car on the right side. So because there is like a very small entrance, and then keep always on the right side. First stop sign, make sure stop them completely. Make sure stop here completely, don't miss it. And for next stop sign, which is Merit Drive, they will take you right from the stop sign. Come to the right side. And complete stop at the stop sign. This is always stop sign. Take right here and make sure keep right to the rightmost lane here. And in between, examiner will tell you to change a couple of times lanes. So change it to left. Change back to right. One thing keep in mind, they don't tell you change lane, they will tell you whenever you feel safe or when it is safe to do so. So don't just jump, check the safety and then change lane. And then next traffic light we will take a left, which is Courtney Park. Traffic light, Courtney Park. Check blind spot, go to the leftmost lane here. We will take a left from the Courtney Park and go to the leftmost lane and then speed up and then change into the right lane. For this lane change, examiner won't tell you. You have to do by it yourself. And then take a right on Ontario Street. Careful, it's a lot of construction going on this whole entire street, and just follow your lane and follow the instruction. Sometimes examiner they take you 401 west also, but most probably they will take you in 401 east only. So we'll go to 401 east. And they will tell you take 401 east. Turn road. And be careful, the ramp is like there's a construction going on the ramp also. So be careful when you are going on the ramp. Anyway, speed limit is 100. It's a 401, so speed limit is 100 here. And when you're on the ramp, after that you have to accelerate and go up to 100 and merge into the highway. Speed up and then merge into the highway. The examiner will tell you to change lane to the right. Then they will take you to 410 north. Whenever you feel safe, change it to left. Then after this ramp, we are going to merge into the 410 north. You can safely, you have to merge into the highway 410 north. Sometimes they take exit on Courtesy Park also, but we are going to take on Dairy Road exit. Take exit on Dairy Road. And preferably I keep in the middle lanes. You can keep in left lane also. They're going to take you left on Dairy Road. But if you see like a couple of big trucks standing in front of you, then you can keep in left lane also. And always stop like where you can see the back wheels of the front car on the road. That's the best place to stop. Dairy Road West. Left here. This is the first lane, the second lane here. Then when intersection, check both sides in the intersection. So you have to scan that if no any pedestrian or any cyclist or anybody jumping out of the red light. You have to scan all those things. Hi friends, so hopefully this video is going to help you to pass your G2 or G test. And if you have any question, you can call me at 416-275-3965. I am certified driving instructor.